In a society where women's rights are not a given, changing legislation relating to women is a difficult equation for lawmakers. But lawyers and activists are hoping that these laws will be amended and enacted by Parliament.
We call on Parliament to expand the law on women. We are not telling the deputies to introduce a law without support, but for example, with regard to the family code and the law on maternity, why is it that women, when they want to divorce through a religious procedure, have to give up their rights and their pension?
Many women's rights associations are waiting for changes to the Algerian family code. According to unofficial statistics, roughly 13,000 cases of religious dissolution of marriage, also known as khul, are registered per year. In many situations, women give up their rights after divorce in exchange for custody of the children.
We expect Parliament to reconsider and amend the 2005 law because it's a text that has never been revised.
Many women in Algeria lose their rights in their own family or in their workplace. The reason why associations are now calling for better equality legislation.
There are problems with equal opportunity. We still suffer from the system, whether in the field of work, politics, or management.
The Algerian constitution devotes more than 20 articles to women's rights and emancipation, a reality that the parliament will have to reckon with as it undertakes the task of putting the laws into effect.
The constitutional principles are already there. Now we are just waiting for amendments to laws on citizenship, civil status, and other texts that take into account our demands for women to be an independent being in society.
The most pressing demand of all remains the protection of women against all forms of violence. According to data, more than 8,000 cases of domestic violence are recorded every year, some even fatal. And despite enacting a law in 2015 criminalizing such acts, many cases still fail to reach justice due to fear of family members, husband, or simply out of shame.